It's super windy out, but did you know that the bald eagle just became America's national bird? Even though it's been on the Great Seal of the United States since 1782, it wasn't until December 24th, 2024 that it became official. Since 1776, we picked a national tree, flower, and mammal. But the most iconic American animal, the most patriotic of all the birds, took almost 250 years to be recognized. America.